Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can log into Gmail without a verification code when alternative sign-in methods are available. So let's get started. To sign in to your Gmail or Google account, start by opening the Google sign-in page. Enter your email address or phone number and click Next. If Google asks for a verification code, look for the Try Another Way to Sign In option. Depending on your account settings and device, you may be able to verify your identity using your fingerprint, Face ID, screen lock, or another trusted sign-in method. Select the available option, follow the on-screen instructions, and complete the verification process. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be signed in to your Gmail account without needing to enter a verification code. Keep in mind that the available sign-in methods may vary based on your security settings, device, and account configuration. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.